Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2025 Hyundai Tucson Preferred. Coming in this nice dark blue coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2.5-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get your lovely backup camera, the nice classic Hyundai lights with a nice roof spoiler, roof rails. You got some nice blind spot detection there with some nice silver and black trim. We do get a remote start with this vehicle, blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors with some nice looking mirrors. And moving to the front here, we got a nice looking Hyundai grille with the license plate bracket, which adds a nice sleek look. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You got hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. Can collapse your last row by just pulling that toggle there, as well as on that side, 12 volt, you got a light there as well, and plenty of storage underneath. You got a tire mobility kit and all that fun stuff. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, adjustable rear seats with floor mats, carpet interior, cup holder, and a little storage here. 2 USB-Cs, rear vents, and of course you can slide this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks. We do get your lights, traction, parking brake, and a nice screen across your dash. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 37,064 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, paddle, shifters. Got your modes here for your music. Just shows up right there. Pretty nice. I'm just going to go home real quick. Voice, volume, phone, fave app, lane centering with your cruise control. And looking here, we got our trip. And you can go for different settings, power distribution, all that jazz. To my right, we got a nice little phone slot here. Cup holders. More storage in your center console. Drive terrain that you can fiddle with. So we're on snow, mud, sand, and then your drive modes, which are normal, sport, my drive modes, all that fun. Auto hold, auto stop, auto start, hill, and your backup camera. You got storage below with tons of outlets. Pretty nice. Your climate controls will be found right here with your dual climate, heated front seats, and heated steering wheel. On this vehicle, we do get a nifty little gear select. Just going to hold the brake here, where we do get reverse, and then you can just slide it up or down depending on what you want, and just park. Got your home screen, so this will be your home screen. You do get personal profiles, which is pretty nice. AM, FM, HD radio, Sirius XM. I'm just going to turn that down real quick. Got your phone projection, valet mode, vehicle diagnostics setup. We do get Apple CarPlay Android Auto. I'm just going to show that here with your map, because you do get navigation, media, seek track, all the usuals. Storage up here, storage below, and you do get your SOS services just above you. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8285, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.